Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. It's another beautiful day. Oh my goodness, it's sunny outside. It's hot. As you can tell, my hat tells it all. That means today we are going to work outside in my backyard. Guys, today is the day we are going to plant our seeds, veggie seeds. Guys, if you watch my videos, you saw me going to a department store, Walmart, to purchase seeds so that I can plant my greens. Simply because, guys, I love organic and I love planting my own, okay? If you did not watch that video so you know what kind of seeds I bought, don't worry, I'm going to show you today. But today's camera, we are going outside in my backyard so I can show you my little garden, what we are doing there, so that how we are going to plant, so that I want you guys to be part of this family. I want you guys to show you everything goes in my life because I am Umoto Lifestyle. I live in the US and I'm vlogging about my lifestyle and I want you guys to get involved. Wait a minute. Before we go outside, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and share my videos. Turn on notifications so that you know, guys, whenever I'm posting another video. But so far, the new subscribers, welcome, and my OG, you know, I love you so much. Guys, without further ado, let's go outside in my backyard so that I can show you what we are planting today. Come on with me. I love you so much. Guys, it's really sunny today. I'm putting on my gumboots to get ready so that we can plant. Look at me, I'm ready, a farmer. Oh well guys, for those ones who didn't manage to watch the video to see what I bought, this is what I got. I got kales right here, I got parsley right here, I got cucumber, we have spinach, and we have carrots. And guys, this one right here, it's okra from previous my previous season. So let me open so that I can show you. And well guys, this is how okra seeds looks like. These are okra seeds. Oh well guys, let me show you how our garden looks like. So the garden actually are on, guys, I don't know if you can see the sun. Oh my goodness. The garden is ready to be planted. This is how it looks like. Guys, these are my spring onions. They are doing so well. I'm so proud of these spring onions right here. Guys, my shadow. All right, let me face my camera that way so that you all can see. Maybe from here you can see my garden. Look at that. It's ready. But now we are going to mix with this soil. Well guys, we're going to mix my garden with this soil. It's a starter green flower and vegetable garden soil. It's a fertilizer, actually has fertilizer in here. And this is how it looks like. This is what we are going to mix in the garden. Hopefully our veggies are going to grow very quickly and healthy. Meanwhile guys, look who is coming up. These are our pears tree. Oh my goodness, this is actually February and I can see something is coming up. Look, it's starting to getting green again. Guys, you help me in the comment section. This season, I don't know, it's called budding. It's starting. Let me go closer so that you can see how our pears are doing. This is my first pear, guys. For those ones who don't know, we have 2 trees of pears in our backyard, and these pears every year, guys, they produce a lot of pears and we eat plenty. This is the first pear. Let me show you the second one. Guys, the second one is here and you can tell it's budding as well. The season has started. It's spring, guys. Look at that. Oh well guys, this is how we are going to plant. We are going to plant across in a line. We're gonna start like this, making a little bit of holes like this, and we're gonna make it all over. It's like one line is gonna be kales, another line is gonna be cucumber, another line is gonna be carrots. But so far that's how it's looking like. And now guys, we are mixing the soil in these holes here, as you can tell, so that we can put our kales. The soil is going in there. It's a mulch, it's a manure actually. They call it fertilizer. So it's going first in the holes before we put our kale. Guys, this season we are serious. This is how the soil, the fertilizer looks like in here. And this is what we are going to plant first, guys. This dwarf blue color bit. I hope it's going to. So we are mixing our fertilizer with our organic soil so that we can plant this kale. So we are doing the mixing of the soil so that we can put our seeds, guys. Well guys, this is how this kale seeds looks like. Look at that. This is how they look like, and we are going to plant these seeds. Guys, next we are going to plant parsley on this line over here. It's gonna be a cross there. It's gonna be our parsley. Guys, this is how the parsley seeds looks like. Oh my goodness, this is how they look like. Okay, now guys, we are planting spinach. Spinach is going in this line over here. Let me show you how the seeds of spinach looks like. Spinach seeds, they look like this. Spinach, this is how they look like. Guys, this is how okra seeds looks like in here. All you have to do is to crush this, and in here you can tell there's plenty of okra seeds, guys, coming from in here. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. There's so much here. So this is the seeds that we're going to plant. Oh well guys, we are going to plant carrots right here, this line here. So I'll show you everything when we finish. And there are 65 seeds in here. Guys, this is how carrot seeds looks like. Carrot seeds. Oh well guys, next we are going to plant cucumber seeds, and there are 60 seeds in here. We are going to plant it on this side right here, this line over here. So when I finish, I'll show you everything. All right guys, this is how the cucumber seeds looks like. They are kind of creamish. Yes, this is how they look like, guys. There's still more here. Guys, the seeds, they're there, and they'll take about 60 days to harvest. Yes. Oh well guys, finally we planted our seeds, our greens, our organic greens. So far, let me show you what we got. I hope my shadow. Over here guys, we put parsley, and I put the stickies over there so that we know what it is. That's parsley on this line. We have kales on this line over here. We have spinach right there. We have our carrots over there. And guys, our cucumber on this side. So let me stand here so that you can see how the label they're over there. And this is our miracle garden. And of course over here we put okra because it was from the previous, so I didn't have a tag for okra, but we know okra is right here. And of course our spring onions are right here. So guys, we're waiting about 2 to 3 months for this to show up so that we can start seeing the progress. Hopefully the rain is gonna rain, but even if the rain doesn't go rain, actually we have a sprinkler. We're gonna make sure the garden is taken care of, and we're gonna make sure we eat organic, guys. As always, I'm sitting on my swing set here. It's sunny, it's hot. Oh my god, but I have to hydrate myself, guys. Our greens right there, we are ready, guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, Umoto Lifestyle, please go ahead and subscribe if you want to see the lifestyle here in America, what people do. Here we do farming, we garden. As you can tell, we plant veggies, everything here, guys. Next, make sure you subscribe, you share with your friends, you tell people about Umoto Lifestyle. Thank you so much, guys, for always coming here and supporting my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.